Let's take a little tour of WordPress. WordPress is the content management system that I ask my students to use for their domains on Reclaim Hosting. WordPress is fairly intuitive and it offers a lot of robust design options for students, different themes, different plugins, so that they can really customize their professional digital identity and come up with a solution to showcase their work that works for them and their own personality, interest, and career aspirations. In class, we'll use their websites as a way to host a blog to feature a variety of public-facing writing activities and assignments. And as well, students will often use their websites as a portal to longer projects, such as their digital stories in the class I'm currently teaching, digital storytelling. After class, students may continue to use these websites for other writing-intensive courses that have a digital writing component, and students can use their websites as an e-portfolio to feature their work from their undergraduate career that then becomes a way to share that work with future employers. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the back end of the WordPress content management system. So if we go into Dashboard, this is where we can create content and design the content and customize the features that our website will have. Posts is where you can create different blog posts that are all sort of collected in a blog. Pages are where you can create stable content, pages like an about page, a contact page, or other sort of permanent pages that you want to feature on a personal website. Under Appearance, we can customize themes, we can customize the different elements of our themes like colors and typography. So now let's go ahead and take a look at Pages and what it looks like to create a page. So we can create New, and here we could see the basic canvas that we have as well as different options that we have for the page. We can create headings like this one. Below that, we can add a paragraph. And you can see there's all sorts of options for display that students have available to them, including drop caps, different colors, adjusting the size as well. Students are able to add all sorts of different design elements too, from separators and buttons to spacers, and just really exploring WordPress and the different options here. You can see just how multimedia rich content can be on WordPress.